what are we looking at? So this is just Lightwave um, particles, hypervoxels, and basically this is what it is. So we have a small tiny emitter, right, and we're running it along a line of vertices with a small turn at that section over there and comes towards the camera. But basically what this is doing is it's going out, hitting something, and then going through an object. So if you can imagine a person standing there, and we switch back to VPR. So if you can imagine a person standing at the center of those spikes, and those things impaling him and coming out of his body, and just like coming out from all over, all angles of his body. You could actually do that with this surface mode hypervoxel effect, and as you can see, it renders quite fast. This is the same technique or the same method in which one of the Men in Black movies visual effect was done with, where I think the lady came into the headquarters and started um, grabbing people's with her tentacles coming out of her fingers. So you could actually do that with also with hypervoxels being driven by a line of vertices or on a path going to the target human body, and that's that. So this is just another way of how you could use a similar effect with a straight line targeting um, a human body, and then piercing through the human body at all different angles. Okay, and also what the way this is done is we are using the vibration channel or effector on the emitter. So basically you could animate the envelope of the vibration. So basically at the point of contact you could increase the vibration from 0% all the way to maybe 100% or 200%, depending on how long you want the spikes to be or how big you want the effect to be. So at the moment it's hugely exaggerated. If I switch to full precision VPR, we can see the effect is giving off. So let us now bring this back down to maybe 1 or maybe 0.5, 0.5. Okay, so um okay, so if I bring this all the way back down to 0, um So that is actually quite a cool effect. Um, so someone could be shooting this out, and then as you increase the vibration at a certain point in time, um, you could get those types of spikes appearing on the surface hypervoxels, and there could be some type of freezing effect or some type of superpower, whatever the case is, or you basically just use this for some type of effect on a static object. And if we bring this all the way back down, this is what we get, back down to 0, and that's what we get. Obviously this is way far from it, but it is the beginning of it. And basically, to get the flowing bubbles of the edge of the lines. But if you look at the way they move, right, it's very similar to the interference that's being run off the edges of this pathway over here. Okay, so I just got to combine this shader, this shader effect with the one that I have in this scene running at the same time, and we should be able to achieve a similar effect such as this that you get. And you can run this on a curved path, on a straight path, zigzag path, any type of path, basically. And yeah, you could basically control the envelope of vibration so that it picks up at a certain point, and you get some nice spikes coming out at the end of the, or to where your target object is. So yeah, this is quite a cool effect, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. Catch you on the next video.